Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve another Leetcode question. It is Leetcode 1 to 8 longest consecutive sequence. It is a medium level question. It is from our array data structure. We have given an unsorted array of integer nums, returned the length of longest consecutive element sequence, and the algorithm must be written in big O n times. Thinking about longest consecutive element sequence, we immediately start thinking about sorting the sequence. But in these questions, it is unfortunately not practical because if we use a sorting algorithm, it will immediately go to n log n. So it is not practical here. Let's see how we can solve it without the sorting algorithm. I'm going to explain it using our first example, that is, it is given 100, 4, 200, 1, 3, 2. Suppose if we sort it, the elements will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 200. By seeing the array, we can just immediately know that the longest sequence is 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. The length is 4. Then comes 100. It is of length 1. Then 200 length of 1. What if these elements are written in an infinite pool of elements? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 will be at the beginning, then after so many digits here comes 100, then after so many number of elements here comes 200. We have to check the beginning of our sequence. That is, here we need to check the n minus 1 element. If the n minus 1 element is there, that is 0. 0 is not there, so 1 is the beginning of this sequence. Then after confirming the beginning of our sequence, check if there is the next element, that is the consecutive elements, n plus 1th element. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 is there. Then 1 plus 2, 3, 3 is there. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 is there. Then 1 plus 4, 5, 5 is not there. So that's it. That's the end of the sequence, and the length is 4. Then comes our next element, 100. Check if the n minus 1th element, that is 99, if it's there. It's not there, so 100 is our beginning, that's first element. So after getting the first element, we have to check the n plus 1th element, that is 101. It's not there, so that's it. The length is 1. Then comes 200, 199. It's not there, so 200 is our first element. Then we need to check what? The next element, that is 201. 201 is not there, so that's it. The length of that sequence is 1. What we have to do first is that we have to make a set, num set of nums, to make sure there is no repetitive elements. I hate repetitive elements, by the way. Then introduce a variable length 0. I'm assigning it 0 in order to check the length of sequence that we are currently on. Then maximum length to return the length of maximum, the longest sequence. So I'm going to iterate through each elements in our array, that is for n in nums. We have to check if n minus 1th element is not there in num set. If n minus 1, let's send it in a bracket, n minus 1 not in num set, then that is the beginning of the element. So we can introduce our variable length of 0, then while n plus length that element in num set till the n plus 1th element is in the num set, we can always increment the length. Then finally we need to update the maximum length, that is the longest element that we have encountered on our journey in this coding, that is the max of, okay. Then finally what we have to do is just return the maximum length that we currently got. I think that's it. I think I have covered almost all concepts that we have discussed here. Let's check by running the code. That's it. Case 1 and 2. So that's it. It was a medium level question. I want you guys to understand this concept and solve this problem by yourself. If you guys have any doubts and queries related to this code, just let me know. Comment on my video, subscribe, and click the bell icon of my channel so that you don't miss any of my future lead coding challenges. That's it. Meet you guys on my next lead coding video. Until then, bye bye.